Every natural product begins where nature is untouched.
Only mature plants carry the purity needed for skin.
Harvesting is done carefully, preserving every active compound.
Neem brings natural antibacterial strength. Every leaf is chosen, not rushed.
Soothing agents are protected from the very start.
Quality control begins before machines exist. Moisture is reduced naturally, without heat damage. Purity is protected through clean handling.
Traceability ensures trust. Every harvest is identified before it moves.
Accurate input leads to consistent output. Preparation is as important as production.
The journey forward begins.
Freshness is preserved at every pause.
Nothing moves without approval.
Nature now meets logistics. From soil to science, the process continues. Handled with care, nature begins its controlled journey.
Distance means nothing when freshness is protected.
Airflow keeps herbal integrity alive. Nature now approaches transformation.
A controlled environment awaits.
Every batch is verified on arrival.
Freshness meets process.
Hands trained for natural care.
The raw journey ends here.
Identity remains intact.
Now the real transformation can begin.
Inside these walls, nature is refined with discipline. Every entry point is controlled. Nothing unwanted crosses the threshold. Movement is guided, never random.
Herbs respond to balance. Ingredients rest before processing. Handling stays gentle.
Cleanliness supports consistency.
Each zone serves one purpose.
Human judgment guides machines.
The first touch of water begins the cleansing journey. Nature's freshness must be preserved with care. Every leaf is washed, but never bruised.
Human judgment ensures only perfect leaves proceed.
Delicate flowers need gentle hands and eyes.
Technology removes impurities without harm.
Even with machines, human eyes safeguard quality.
Purity is a repeated promise. Moisture is controlled, never forced.
Machines support the human eye in selecting only the best.
Redundancy ensures nothing is overlooked.
Preparation is key before transformation. Size consistency ensures even extraction. Natural structure is preserved, enhancing potency.
Harmony of herbs begins before extraction.
Appearance signals readiness. Softening prepares them for the heart of processing.
Oversight ensures the transition to processing is seamless.
Extraction begins with patience, not haste.
Gentle motion awakens active compounds.
Temperature guides nature without forcing it. Precision moves every leaf forward.
Mild heat draws out potency without harm.
Natural chemistry must be measured.
Purity will soon be separated from sediment.
The essence is captured. Clarity begins.
Every drop holds nature's hydration.
Strength and calm merge naturally.
Calmness is blended, never forced.
Uniformity ensures every drop nurtures skin equally.
Consistency preserves potency.
Extraction completes. Essence is ready. Every batch carries its identity forward. Each harvest is verified before further transformation. The journey from raw to ready begins now. From field to extract, nature's essence is now ready for transformation.
A new stage begins, where nature
meets precision. Every drop is measured before transformation. Cleansing comes from nature, enhanced carefully. Motion merges ingredients without harming efficacy.
Texture is tested, ensuring skin-friendly consistency.
Moisture is locked in naturally.
From herbs to base, nature is now ready for shaping.
Every batch is confirmed before it continues.
The foundation is complete, ready to become a finished product. Precision begins where nature meets automation.
Every tube is positioned for exact dosing.
Volume is precise, preserving product integrity. Technology ensures nothing is wasted. Every tube moves with coordinated precision. Sealing begins the journey from lab to consumer. Consistency guarantees quality in every unit. Consistency guarantees quality in every unit. Every tube is verified before leaving automation. Traceability is integrated at every step. Precision ensures consumer trust. Automation prepares units efficiently and safely. Protection begins before they leave the line. Every batch is organized with absolute care. Human oversight ensures perfection. Flow is continuous, efficient, and precise. Bundles are prepared for their final journey. Traceability ensures trust from start to finish. A tactile finish complements natural purity. Consistency in weight guarantees dose accuracy. Natural color is proof of integrity. Cosmetic detail matters as much as content. Protection and presentation converge seamlessly. Stability is achieved before storage.
Human oversight confirms machine precision.
Digital tracking ensures batch integrity.
Orderly stacking protects the product in transit.
Each tube carries the promise of nature and precision. Purity is verified where science meets nature.
Stability ensures quality over time.
Only after rigorous testing does each tube move forward. Organization ensures smooth flow from production to dispatch.
Preparation precedes every dispatch. Orderly loading protects each tube. Efficiency ensures every shipment is complete. Stability protects product integrity during transit. The journey continues beyond the walls of production. From raw harvest to final dispatch, every step is precise. Each tube carries the promise of chemical-free care.
The audio contains a narration that says, "Careful storage ensures quality until it reaches you."
Every shipment is secured and accounted for.
And this is how modern factories produce chemical-free herbal face wash from start to finish.